Hello and welcome back, folks. If you're like me and you have some cans of tin beans that's just been unused in your kitchen cupboard, then I have the recipe for you. We're going to turn these into some delicious tin bean curry that will take you next to no time to prepare. So, if you're ready, let's go. Heat up 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan and add 1 chopped up white onion. Two cloves of crushed garlic and a piece of crushed ginger. Fry for a few minutes, then add the spices. The spices are 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and half a teaspoon of cumin. Don't worry about remembering the ingredients because the full list will be in the description. Mix the spices with the onions and fry for 5 minutes. Add 1 can of chopped tomatoes, 1 can of coconut milk plus 750 milliliters of water. Mix the ingredients together and bring to a gentle simmer. Drain and rinse 3 cans of your choice of tin beans and add into the pan. Place a lid on the pan and cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, stir in 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. Serve the curry with some freshly cooked rice. Please subscribe and press the like button as this will help the channel to grow. And see you next time!